Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XDC from Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding XDC on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it to Trust Wallet for easier access or trading, you're in the right place. XDC, or Zinfin's digital currency, is a great option for fast, secure transactions, and transferring it between wallets is straightforward once you know the steps. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and updated to the latest firmware. You'll also need the XDC app installed on your Ledger. Head to the Ledger Live app on your computer to add it if you haven't already. On the Trust Wallet side, download the app on your mobile device if you don't have it, and create or import your wallet. Remember, always double-check that you're using the correct wallet addresses to avoid any mishaps. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the XDC app on your Ledger Nano X and connect it to your computer via USB. Enter your PIN to unlock it. Step 2. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section, select your XDC account, and click on Send. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, then paste the receiving address from your Trust Wallet. You can get this by opening Trust Wallet, going to the XDC network, and copying the address from your wallet. Step 3. Double-check the details, amount, address, and fees. Then confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by reviewing and approving it on the screen. This adds an extra layer of security. Once approved, the transfer should process quickly, usually in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the XDC network for this transfer to keep fees low and ensure compatibility. Also, never share your private keys or recovery phrases, keep them secure. If you run into any issues, like a stuck transaction, check the XDC Blockchain Explorer for updates. And there you have it. That's how you safely transfer XDC from your Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet. This process keeps your assets secure while giving you more flexibility. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.